Let us see how we can add or remove one subscriber from another. Let us create the new component in our already created Angular application. Let me go and add this particular selector inside app.component.html. We will do nothing but adding an observable with the help of observable.create method, and after that we will be adding one subscriber to the another. Let me create the observable, and after that we will try to send some value with the help of next. So so let me add set interval, and that will keep on sending the values on the timely basis. Let us say it will keep on sending the next value, that will be the numeric increment value that is defined this dot n plus plus, and it will keep on sending 1 2 3 4 and all. Let me add two subscriber. Suppose that this is our first subscriber, and that will console all the values that is being received from the observable. And same as we will try to create one another subscriber that will keep on sending the same value, keep on receiving the same value from the same observable, and printing those with the help of console.log. Let us see what is happening. We are trying to run the application, and you can see the value is being sending to these two subscriber on timely basis. So we can see on by right clicking on the web page and seeing the developer tools. So you can see all the values are being received on timely basis: 1 2 subscriber 1 subscriber 2, then subscriber 1 again subscriber 2 on the timely basis. Let us say we are adding some timeout. After some time span, the subscriber should be unsubscribed and stop to receiving the values from the observable. The observable will keep on sending the values, but this particular subscriber will not receive any further value once it is getting unsubscribed at 5 seconds. Let me unsubscribe this particular first subscriber after 5 seconds, and unsubscribe the second subscriber after 10 seconds. Let us see after 5 seconds. So you can see subscriber 1 has been unsubscribed, and after 5 seconds subscriber 2 has been unsubscribed, and they stopped to receive the value from the observable. Let us say we have a scenario where we want to unsubscribe both the subscriber at the same time. So in this way we have to add one subscriber to another. Let me add the subscriber 1 onto the subscriber. Let me add the subscriber 2 on the subscriber 1. So subscriber 1 has this particular subscriber 2. Now once it is unsubscribing, then it will also unsubscribe the second also. You can see it is not receiving any further value. Instead, we have written to unsubscribe it after 10 seconds. So let me say we have some logic where we want to remove this particular subscriber 2 from subscriber 1. We can say after 3 seconds we are getting confirmation like further operation can be performed, so we can let them happen. Let us remove the subscriber 2 from subscriber 1 after 3 seconds in order to thinking like we have some operation that has been successfully completed, and we can let the subscriber to perform its functionality on its own. So you can see like instead we have added and after that we have removed, so it is performing as it is. So it is based on the logic. When we want the particular subscriber to be add and perform on the same way, then we can go with it, and after some time we feel like it has been successfully performed and we have to remove it and let them do the further operation. Thank you so much for watching.